Scorching is every heat printer's nightmare. Stick around to see what product will let your products go away scorch-free. CAD CUT UltraWeed, our new go-to heat transfer vinyl, is the product for heat applying any heat-sensitive fabrics. From polyester to suede and even leather, this product is going to apply at a low 260 degrees, allowing you to heat press without any scorching or melting of your items. Let me show you how it works at the heat press. For the first application, we're going to be working with a Prim and Preux brand from S&S Activewear that is 100% polyester and moisture wicking. And these are really the types of fabrics that tend to scorch when they're exposed to really high heat. The reason we're going to be using the heat printing pillow is because we're going to be decorating right by these buttons here that can cause uneven pressure. The pillow is going to allow for me to get a nice even pressure where my print area is going to be. Those buttons are going to sink down in and allow this to apply accurately. And once again, UltraWeed applies as low as 260 degrees, especially if you're working with those 100% polyesters or synthetic fabrics. And the dwell time is 12 seconds at a light pressure. It's a hot peel, so once that's done heat applying, we can go ahead and remove that carrier and our application is complete. There are many other heat-sensitive fabrics that people tend to steer clear from whenever it comes to heat printing, and faux suede is one of them. And I'm here to show you that this is definitely an achievable print that you can do so that you can warrant more profit opportunity within your business. We're going to be doing a 2-color application with this. And because this applies for a 2-second tack, we're going to tack each of these colors and then apply for the full application. I'm going to place the next color and then repeat that same step. Now we have a total of 4 seconds applied to the shoe, and we need to get that 12-second application to really secure the adhesive onto our faux suede. For this, so that we're not risking burning any area of the suede boot, I'm going to cover with a flexible application pad and cure the adhesive for the recommended time. When working with the flex pad, you want to increase your time an additional 10 seconds. So instead of 12, we're going to apply it for 22 seconds. Then we can go ahead and lock this down, and the press will do the rest of the work for us. We'll remove our flex pad, and our application on the shoe is complete, allowing us to print more than just apparel and offer high-end accessories. The next product we're going to be printing is a vegan leather clutch from Wholesale Boutique. Now it does have some obstructions that could cause uneven pressure, so I'm isolating my print area by loading in a small 4x4 platen so that I can just lay my print area right on top without anything getting in the way. Similarly to how we did the faux suede, we're going to use that same Print Perfect pad and lay that right on top of our bag and apply for 22 seconds at 260 degrees. Because this is a hot peel, we can go ahead and remove that carrier. And you'll notice that the CAD CUT UltraWeed is taking on the texture of the faux leather so that it looks as though it is part of the bag as opposed to something just laying on top. And one of the most heat sensitive items that you can heat apply are plastic accessories such as this tote bag and some other popular items such as backpacks and purses. Now this is completely plastic, and we want to be sure that we're protecting the bag from getting any impression from our bottom platen. So I went ahead and folded up a craft paper cover sheet so that nothing is melting. Right, so I'm going to place the first part of my design and tack this for just 2 seconds. And we went ahead and dropped our temperature down to 235 degrees. We're going to cover with a cover sheet and tack for 2 seconds. Now we can peel this carrier back. And we are doing a 2-color application for this design. So I'm going to repeat that same step with the second piece of my artwork. So another 2-second tack. This is allowing our adhesive to start curing to the plastic bag, but we don't want to mark up the bag with these Mylar carriers, so we're just tacking and getting those out of the way. And now we can cover with the cover sheet one last time, and this one will apply for the full application for 12 seconds. And with CAD CUT UltraWeed, we can heat apply onto plastic without compromising the finish and being able to offer custom prints on such unique items. And these are just a few of the many heat-sensitive items that you can decorate with CAD CUT UltraWeed, a product made right here in the United States. To get started with UltraWeed, visit Stahls.com. Welcome to the Stahls TV studios, where we publish content weekly for tips and tricks on all things heat printing. While you're here, subscribe to the Stahls TV YouTube channel, give us a like, and hit that notification bell so you can get updated on any time we publish new content.